Good evening, Bios Baptist Church community. Today we are going to be coming to you with a special report. What is Jericho's lockdown? So Jericho's lockdown is when we shut down all the normal functions of the online part of Bios Baptist Church. That would include our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. This is what allows us to reach out into the world that is not within our walls. Why do we have Jericho's lockdown? When there is a perceived threat of what is happening outside. Like if someone comes and books into the emergency department and threatens anyone, any of our staff members in a manner, or treats anyone in a rude and disrespectful manner, or in a arbitrary manner, we will shut down the whole entire church until we can investigate why or how the incident happened. Oftentimes, a Jericho lockdown will shut down the whole entire church until we can block a single individual or group of individuals out of our whole entire system. So, the Jericho lockdown system was invented by the head of the youth department, Anastasia Durden, in late February 2018. The name was added by Headmaster Sinclair in early March 2018. It was first used on March 3rd at 8 a.m. This video would come out the day before, due to the fact of scheduling conflicts. Governmental rescheduling within Bios Baptist Church is a necessary way to get around Jericho lockdowns. If Jericho lockdowns are scheduled for any longer than 24 hours, no videos will be produced that day. However, the daily workload of the church is still required. So, to combat this, videos are either rescheduled or reposted to the day before or to the day after, which is the reason why this video was recorded on March 3rd but was posted March 2nd. Administrational rescheduling. This process will be used every time there is a Jericho lockdown. Sometimes videos could be rescheduled, and two videos would be made the day after. One would be posted on the day that the lockdown happened, and then one would be posted the next day to make up for lost time, just to keep in line of everybody's lessons. So now that you understand what a Jericho lockdown is, how do you find out about these lockdowns? Go to our website, Bios Baptist Church Weebly, and go to Safety Ministry and scroll down. If there is a Jericho lockdown, it would say minimal or restrict closed. Not restricted, minimal or closed due to Jericho's lockdown. Also, the code is code Olive-1 Jericho lockdown. That's the only website for BIOS that's open. The only video for us that you will have access to is last Sunday's sermon. Bios Baptist Church News. God bless you.